Time actually does equal money. For Swatch, at least. They've sold over 300 million watches worldwide. One of the first steps in making one is to fit the base with screws that will turn the wheelwork. The watches are made almost entirely by robots and machinery. There are 51 parts in each wristwatch. Soon the base will be joined by the body. But first, the body needs to be fitted with the wheels, which will turn the hands. There are 5 main wheels, 3 for the hours, minutes and seconds, and 2 that connect these together. Robotic arms pick up the tiny wheels and delicately place them into position. The calendar ring is next. It's connected to the wheels to display the date. Then the body is fitted onto the base. A conveyor belt takes them to the welding machine, where 2 will become 1. Here's how it works. As the 2 sections are clamped together, pressure causes the pins to oscillate, and this generates heat. The plastic melts, and when it cools down, the clockwork is fused. It's whisked along to the next stop, where the face is cut out of a template and lifted into position. Once it's been flipped over, a disposable battery can be fitted. The clock hands have been made in strips and wound around these spools. They're punched out and put onto the faces. There are 6 on this watch, 3 to display the time and 3 for the stopwatch. To work properly, they must be parallel, so a worker adjusts them with tweezers. It's a fiddly job, but with the help of a huge close-up, it only takes a few seconds for each watch. Now they can set the time. They use an atomic clock for the job, so there'll be no excuses for being late. The watches are off again to get their steel cases fitted. First, the stopwatch pin is inserted, and then the watch itself. It's such a perfect fit that no glue is needed to hold it in place. These screws will allow the user to set the time manually. A layer of silicone is put on the rim to make the watch waterproof. And after it's been set in the right position, the glass seals the silicone inside. Once the outer rim has been slotted into place, all that remains is to seal the battery, and the watch is finished. But it won't be leaving the factory until it has passed an endurance test. It's placed in a cabinet with 6,000 finely tuned timepieces for company and is left to sweat it out at temperatures of up to 50 degrees Celsius. If it survives the rotating hot box for 24 hours, it gets the nod and the all-important manufacturer's guarantee. With its strap attached, the watch is complete. All it needs now is an owner.